Hi children, how are you all? Now I am going to tell a person that you people know very well than me. That is Lord Hanuman. I like him very much. I used to pray him a lot. But now I came to know one thing from you all is nowadays you people are very crazy about Spider-Man, Superman, Batsman, that man, this man. But don't ignore our Hanuman. Okay? Why I'll tell you. To that I'll tell you a sloka in Sanskrit. बुद्धिर्बलं यशोधैर्यं निर्भयत्वम् अरोगताम् अजाड्यं वाक्पटुत्वं च हनुमात् स्मरणात् भवेत्. Okay, now I'll tell you the meaning of this. I am requesting you everyone is you should understand the meaning first. If you pray to the god Hanuman, he will give you intelligence, energy and health. He'll give you good fame, he'll give you courage, he'll keep you out of fear, he'll keep you out of diseases, and he'll make you very active. That is, he'll be removing your laziness. Then he'll give you good communication skills if you acquire and if you keep him as a role model. I am suggesting you take our Hanuman as a role model in your day-to-day activities, not a batsman, Spider-Man and all. Okay? Why Hanuman is very famous? Because he is very intelligent. He is the care of address for intelligence and care of address for energetic person. And though he is so energetic and so healthy, he is not at all rude and he is so obedient. So what I am telling you is learn the 8 qualities of the Hanuman, what he has, so that you will be becoming like him, and you should take the role model and you should follow his steps. And one should learn the disciplinary things what Hanuman has. I will tell you the 8 qualities of Hanuman. One, he is very intelligent. And second one is he is so energetic and healthy. And the meaning what I tell you is buddhir balam. Buddhi means intelligence. He'll give you intelligence. Balam means energy and health. And if you eat the healthy food, then you will become energetic. And then Yasheshu means Kirti. How you will get Kirti? Yasheshu means if you study well, if you listen to your parents, teachers, then you will become good. Listen to your teachers, listen to your parents, then fame will come automatically. Next one is Buddhir Bhalam Yasho Dhairyam. Yasheshu means Kirti, I told you. Dhairyam means courage. So when you do your works on time, then you will be bold. Suppose if your teacher might have given you homework to do this and to complete this today, and if you complete this on time, then you will be very bold. If you don't do the homework which your teacher has given today, and tomorrow if you go to class, then she'll ask you, are you done with your homework? No. Then you did a mistake, then you will be timid. That's why you should be bold, means the activities or works whatever you have to do it on time, then you will become automatically bold. So now we will discuss the 5th characteristic, that is nirbhayatvam. Nir means no, bhayam means fear. So no fear, he will keep you out of fear, because when you are doing all the works on time, when you are eating on time, when you are waking up on time, then you will become very bold and very healthy, and you will become bold, and then you will not be having any fear. So he will keep you out of fear. So that is why you have to acquaint all these qualities. So moving to the 6th quality, nirbhayatvam. Next, arogatam. A means bad, rogam means disease, right? Rogam means disease. Arogata means he'll keep you out of health issues, that is diseases. When you eat good food on time, when you wake up early, when you do your works on time, you will be very healthy. So then you will be automatically out of diseases. So buddhir bhalam yasho dhairyam nirbhayatvam arogatam. Next is ajadyam. 7th characteristic is ajadyam. A means bad, jadyam means laziness. So when you do all your works on time, then you will be automatically you will be out of laziness. So when you don't have laziness, when you are doing all the things on time, then you are perfect. The 8th characteristics of Hanuman is Vakpatutvam. Vakpatutvam means communication. Vak means word. So good words. Whatever the word you will speak, those are countable. So that's why when you are speaking with elders or any other people opposite to you, you must speak very well. So if you pray to him, if you do meditation on Hanuman, then you will become a good orator. Means the communication, whatever you are going to give, it must be good always. You have to be polite, you have to be obedient, you have to be intelligent, you have to be very intelligent, you have to be very healthy. So all these qualities our Hanuman has. Now Vakpatutvam cha Hanumat Smaranat Bhavet. So whoever is going to pray Hanuman, all these 8 characteristics will come to you. So now I repeat the sloka. Buddhir bhalam yasho dhairyam nirbhayatvam arogatam ajadyam vakpatutvam cha Hanuman Smaranat Bhavet. So children, I request all of you to start chanting Hanuman, be like Hanuman, learn from him all these 8 characteristics, so that you will be shine like anything. Start admiring Hanuman, learn from him, be good and do good. Wish you all the best, children. Bye.